Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com with the Forex Quick Look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. Today's date is July 25th, 2024. Let's get started. Looking at the dollar versus Swiss franc, what is key this week, or what is evident this week, is that there are certain currency pairs that are safe haven currencies. The yen was a safe haven currency, but there's other fundamental things going on with that currency pair. That currency, I should say. And the Swiss franc is also a safe haven currency. Hence, we saw the dollar versus Swiss franc move to the downside as flow of funds moved into the Swiss franc. On the opposite side of it, the equation, the Aussie versus US dollar, or the Aussie and the New Zealand versus US dollar, have been weaker currencies. Why? They have risk off sentiment. There's also fundamental news going on in those currency pairs as well. But that's sort of the general flow. And so when we saw the price of the stock market to open and move lower, we saw the dollar versus Swiss move lower as well. And the price moved down to test the 50% midpoint. That 50% midpoint is of the move up from going all the way back to this low right here, the December low, to the high price that we saw in the month of May. The 50% was tested at 0.8777. And we did find support buyers against that level. So the technicals came into play as well for this currency pair as the price was moving lower. The subsequent rise has now seen the price move back up to another technical level. That level corresponds with this low right here, 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 and other levels going back in time to this period right through here where the market traded above and below this swing area here. That swing area comes between 0.8818 and 0.8825. And the high price has since moved back up to that level. So there's a battle going on here between resistance up here, which was broken and trading here today, and support down here, which held at the 50% retracement. And that's what is going to be what traders focus on going forward in this currency pair. If the price can get back above the 0.881, 2 to 25 level, 20 to 25 level right here, that would open up the door for further upside momentum on the failure of the break below this key swing area right through here. Conversely, if the price cannot get above that level, and so far we are seeing sellers against that level as we trade at the 0.8798 level, then a break below the 50% retracement would open the door for further downside momentum in that direction. So it's a question of either there or there for this currency pair, with the price currently trading in between right here. So that's my technical look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.